Hi, and welcome to this training course. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create extra gigs in your Fiverr gigs. You may be wondering how someone can survive by working solely on the orders on Fiverr. Isn't it just $5 for each gig that you're receiving? And yet, some of the sellers can take this as their full-time day job. How can this be possible? The answer is in this video, and I'm going to lead you through these. Creating gig extras is just like creating a sales funnel to your Fiverr. You will be able to sell them something which is more than just a front end. Without delay, let's get started. A gig extra allows you to earn more than $5 for one gig on Fiverr, just like I've mentioned. Gig extras play the role of upsell in the sales funnel. You need not send more traffic to the same place. By just offering the gig extras, you can generate larger profits with the same amount of traffic. Gig extras are the additional services that you can offer them on top of the gig for an additional price defined by the sellers. For instance, you offer a 3-minute voiceover with $5. The gig extras that you can put here is an extra $10 for syncing the voiceover to your 3-minute video. The prices for your gig extras are all up to you, but take note of this. The gig extras that you offer must be congruent to your gig, and the price must be fair. For your information, there are 4 levels on Fiverr. The levels are New Seller, Level 1, the Pro League, and lastly, Top Rated Seller. In each level, you will enjoy different kinds of privileges. Obviously, the higher your status is, the more privileges you're going to have. It is important for you to understand this concept because in a different level, you will have different numbers of gig extras. Let's start with the new seller. When you have just gotten started on Fiverr, you'll be complimented with 2 gig extras, meaning to say you can offer 1 gig extra up to $20 for 2 times. This is the starter pack offered by Fiverr. When you've hit the criteria and given a level up from Fiverr, the gig extras that you can offer will increase automatically. The options to add on gig extras will automatically appear when you are editing your gig page once you've reached the next level. The next level is Level 1. When you fulfill the criteria, Fiverr will notify you. First and foremost, you will need to know how to get the Level 1 status from Fiverr. The criteria to reach Level 1 includes being active on Fiverr as a seller for 30 days, complete at least 10 orders, maintain a 4-star rating or above, achieve a low cancellation rate from your customers. When you hit this target, you'll be categorized as a Level 1 seller on Fiverr. By this time, you will be able to have 4 gig extras, as well as the gig extra offered up to $40. To reach Level 2 or the Pro League, you will need to achieve a few criteria. Complete at least 50 orders in 2 months, remain a 4.5 star rating or above, achieve a low cancellation rate from your customers. When you have fulfilled all these, you will be able to offer 5 gig extras at the same time for up to $50. Finally, when you've reached the top level and become a top-rated seller, you will have the best privileges that can double or even triple your revenue. First of all, you must maintain a high star rating in between 4.7 to 5, provide exceptional customer care, which will be evaluated by Fiverr, achieve low cancellation rates, show Fiverr your leadership, which will be evaluated by Fiverr as well, and finally, achieve a high volume of sales. Fiverr will be evaluating top-rated sellers to ensure they maintain exceptional service and to make sure they meet the standards from Fiverr. There is a reason why they would set up a high standard to reach this level because the privileges you are going to have are exclusive. You can offer up to 6 gig extras in 1 gig alone. In addition, the price for 1 gig extra can reach up to $100. This is the privilege that only top-rated sellers would have.